What's good, YouTube? As you can see, we got the Tanny Mobiles outside today. Lord Tanny Mobile, Lord Switch in the middle. We got the Rick Mobile, SRT Rick, Zay, and we got Jordan, man. We getting ready to do a little POV drive through the city in Philly. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all already know what to do, man. Lord Switchy is activated, so we gonna turn y'all up. Let's get it. You already know, man. Track mode, of course, like we do. Like we start every other video. Track mode, and we also got the switchy tune on. And yeah, let's get some flames out this motherfucker. A couple times throughout the POV, I'm gonna throw in the cargo cam so y'all can see the flames out the rear end. But other than that, man, y'all definitely gonna hear it, so y'all gotta stay tuned because we gonna turn y'all up. We are in Philly right now. We're not necessarily gonna drive through the city. We pretty much just gonna do some calm highway POVs and stuff, so stay tuned. Let's get it. As you can see, it's currently 12:46 a.m. And I'm pretty sure if cops heard this tune, bro, I'd definitely get pulled over. So I'm being a little turkey right now. But we getting ready to approach the highway, man. So I'm gonna show all the flames and stuff on the highway. Yo, we getting ready to hit the highway, man. Let's get it. Shit crazy, bro. Hopefully Adams don't spawn out of nowhere, bro. Adams be in Philly too, bro. Don't want to deal with Officer Adams today. By the way, if you haven't watched my last video, you know, POV drive through the city, go tap into that, go watch that, and I need y'all to watch the entire thing. In case y'all are wondering, yes, I did get my tint taken off, so y'all can see a lot better at night. So yeah, I'm gonna get it thrown back on eventually though. Try not to do too much talking, man, so y'all can hear the engine. Let the engine speak for itself. Is that a cop? Why he got his lights on like that? Nah, that's a tow truck. On a cargo cam for y'all. I don't know why it turned off. I don't know why the cargo cam keep turning off. Once again, if y'all don't already know, that's my boy SRT Rick right there. And that's my other man, Zay the Reaper, to the right. Then we got my boy Jordan behind me. Yeah. going. 100 watts. 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 100 Highway cut up. Hold on, y'all. Highway cut up. Going through tunnels now. Oh my God, bro. Shit's crazy. Nice little tunnel. Yo, my GPS been frozen, bro. What the hell? Switchy! Lord Switchy! Oh my God, bro. Oh man, Adam's got somebody. got somebody. He just turned his lights off. If y'all want me to go to a certain city, a certain state, let me know, man. I'm sliding. I'm there with the guys, so just let me know. Here go Jordan right here. 5.7 Jordan. Tanny. My boy Ricky in front of me. Let me show y'all some flames real quick while we on the highway, bro. I don't know why the cargo cam keep going off for some reason. I don't know where the hell I'm going. That shit, bruh. I can't tell if there's a cop behind me anyways. I'm not even popping. I gotta turn y'all up. This shit just like obnoxiously loud, bro. So it's hard. I just got pulled over, bro. From the cops said they heard me miles away, bro. I was on the highway. Cops heard me miles away. They hopped onto the highway and pulled me over, bro, because of this tune, bro. This shit crazy. I was gonna make a video on it, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna chill out. Rick and Jordan are gone, bro. Damn. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna probably end this video, man, because I'm trying to listen to some music on the way home. So if y'all still in tune and tapped into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, give me any recommendations, any video recommendations y'all think I should make. But it's your boy Lord Switchy. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Boom!